Okay, so now second theorem for Lagrange's bracket. ठीक है, तो लैग्रेंजियन ब्रैकेट हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले या नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, हम प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने देखा है कि लैग्रेंजियंस ब्रैकेट इज इनवेरिएंट, या यू वी फॉर स्मॉल क्यू स्मॉल पी is equals to uv for capital Q and capital P. uv are the new constants which are again dependent upon small q and small p. So now theorem 2 point 1 हमें प्रूफ करना है कि show that u and v is equals to minus v comma u. Now I think हमने ऐसे थ्योरम्स बहुत बार सॉल्व किया है. एक तो हमने किया है जब हमने मेट्रिक के लिए इसको प्रूफ किया था, मतलब नॉट इन दिस सेशन, बट जब हम मेट्रिक को प्रूफ करते कि डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस बिटवीन बी ए, तो इसी तरीके से हमें इन थ्योरम्स को भी हमें प्रूफ करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज के बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ लैग्रेंजियन ब्रैकेट वी हैव, बाय डेफिनेशन यू हैव u comma v is equals to del qi comma del pi upon del u and v. This is the general definition. So this implies del qi upon del u into del pi upon del v minus del qi upon del v into del pi upon del u. So this is your equation 1. This is the Jacobian and Jacobian is simplified, या इसका determinant आप इसे कह सकते हैं. So this can be written as, it can be written as you interchange first term to last term, तो it will be written as minus del qi upon del v del pi upon del u, again plus del qi upon del u del pi upon del v, taking negative sign common from both terms, तो del qi upon del v del pi upon del u minus del qi upon del u del pi upon del v. This is again a Jacobian and it is of the form q and p for v and u. So that means it is minus del qi pi for del v comma u, and this is nothing but minus v comma u. Hence first part is proved. Okay. Okay, now the second point. Okay, so now the second point is कि prove that Jacobian, the Lagrangian bracket for qi comma qj is equal to 0. qi comma qj equals to 0. Now understand, this is very easy. You know that in a matrix, if there are two same rows or if there are two same columns, then the determinant of that matrix is 0. So here qi and qj, so you will get 0 only, but you have to prove. So prove, let u is equals to qi and v is equals to qj. You are denoting let u equals to qi and u equals to qj, and suffix I equals to k in equation 1. ठीक है, तो जहाँ जहाँ पे I है we will suffix it या we will replace it to k. So how we are replacing it to k? Now see. So this is your equation 1. Here you have equation 1. So I am writing qi comma qj is equals to del qk upon del qi into del pk upon del qj minus del qk upon del qj into del pk upon del qi. Now see, when a Lagrangian bracket is considered, it is always the function of q and p. So this q and p won't change. Only the variables u and v, that means these terms will be replaced. Now for convenience purpose, if we are writing qi pi, it will be more confusing. Therefore we have replaced I with k in the numerators. Okay, now again simplify. So del qk upon del qi, del pk upon del qj. Now see, this is the function of q's for k and I. So this becomes the chronicle delta ki del pk upon del qj as it is, minus again here it will become the chronicle delta kj, and this term pk upon del qi as it is. Now this is your equation number 2 for this theorem, for this part. Now p and q, हमको पता है कि p and q what are? p and q are independent variables. They are independent variables. If they are independent variables, this means that del q upon del p is 0 and del p upon del q should also be equals to 0, because they are independent. The partial derivative with each other will become 0. That means del p upon del q, this term is 0, del p upon del q, this term is 0. So that means you will have that chronicle delta ki into 0 minus delta kj into 0, and hence you get your value to be 0. So this is your second part. Now I want you to prove that similarly pi comma pj is equals to 0. So if we are able to prove for qi and qj, it is very easy to prove for pi and pj. So this part you have to complete. Okay, now the third part. So now the third part is prove that qi comma pj is equal to delta ij. qi comma pj is equals to delta ij. Now for this part, what we have to do, we will put u equals to qi and v equals to pj in equation 1. Put u equals to qi and v equals to pj in equation 1. Then qi comma pj will be the function of del qi upon del qi into del pi upon del pj minus del qi upon del pi into del pi upon del qj. Del qi upon del qi, del pi upon del pj, del qi upon del pi upon del qj. Now here del pi del pj, del pi del qj. So these terms, it will be written as, this gets cancelled. P cannot be the function of q, q cannot be the function of v. So this term is 0. This term is 0. Here qi gets cancelled. Del pi upon del pj, this is nothing but chronicle delta I and j minus 0. So that means you have qi comma pj is equals to del ij. Similarly, you can show that del pi pj can also be del ij. Okay, so this is the second theorem for Lagrangian's bracket. Okay, so these theorem, this parts of the theorem, this part of the chapter is comparatively very easy. Okay, so this was theorem number 2. Now before moving on to theorem number 3, we have to learn what are Poisson's bracket. Okay, so our next topic will be Poisson's bracket. So the point is Poisson's bracket, and they are defined. Poisson's bracket are defined on Lagrange's bracket only, but they are little bit different with the Lagrangian bracket only in terms of representation and in terms of variable consideration. अब रिप्रेजेंटेशन का मतलब होता है कि जब हम लैग्रेंजियन ब्रैकेट डिनोट करते तो हम लैग्रेंजियन ब्रैकेट को ब्रेसेस में डिनोट करते, लेकिन पॉइजन्स जो ब्रैकेट होगा हम उसको स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में डिनोट करेंगे या हम इसे बॉक्स ब्रैकेट में डिनोट करेंगे. तो डिनोट करने में ये थोड़े से डिफरेंट है. बाकी का इसके जो वेरिएबल्स होते हैं तो वो इनवेरिएंट अंडर द एनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. जो लैग्रेंजियन ब्रैकेट होता है इट इज इनवेरिएंट ओनली अंडर कैनोनिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, लेकिन पॉइजन्स ब्रैकेट दे आर इनवेरिएंट अंडर एनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. सो दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉइजन्स एंड लैग्रेंजियस ब्रैकेट. दोनों ही रिप्रेजेंटेशन में, रिप्रेजेंटेशन का मतलब है सिर्फ ब्रैकेट का रिप्रेजेंटेशन अलग होगा, लेकिन बाकी की जो डेफिनेशन है पॉइजन्स और लैग्रेंजियंस की वो सेम है. सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या है कि लैग्रेंजियन ब्रैकेट इज इनवेरिएंट ओनली अंडर कैनोनिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, लेकिन पॉइजन्स ब्रैकेट आर इनवेरिएंट अंडर एनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन या अंडर ऑल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो. So this point we'll see in the next lecture.